Okay students, so this segmental expansion exercises we are going to teach to the patient. How to teach a segmental expansion exercises to the patient? We can just instruct a patient, just sir kindly keep your hand over the lateral side of the chest. So we can see that he is directly keeping on the lower rib side. This is appropriate one. We do not want to the upper or we do not want less left niche, because it is an abdomen area, it will have no effect. So it has to be here in the lower side of the chest. Okay. So by keeping his hands, we just instruct the patient the same command. Sir, kindly take a deep breath through the nose and breathe out through the mouth slowly. Keeping in mind wherever you are placing your hands, that part of the chest should expand much. So as you can see, the patient is doing self segmental expansion, lateral costal expansion. So this is a bilateral one. Okay. You can also ask a patient to perform with the unilateral segmental expansion. Sir, kindly put your one hand over the one side of the thorax. Okay. So you can see that patient is also able to perform segmental expansion exercises on one side of the chest. By keeping just hand, we are allowing to put his or her hand on the chest, because we want to give a tactile feedback so that patient know that that part is expanding as soon as I breathe in, and that is why this tactile feedback is enough. No need to tell to the patient to stretch and all. Okay, that is for the therapist skills, that is not for the patient. Okay, patient might not know how to perform it appropriately, and that is why we are just asking a patient to keep his or her hand on the part of the chest. Fine. Next, without hands, if we do, we can use also with the other devices also. This segmental expansion exercises can also be done, which is with the help of the towels. We can ask a patient to do a self lateral segmental expansion exercises. First, you should make a pleats the towel like this. Okay, towel or any long cloth, okay, is sufficient. Even the large broader belt also is appropriate for the segmental expansion. So after folding a towel like this, we will just have to wrap it. Okay, and for the unilateral, just give a patient both ends. Ask the patient to hold it, both ends, right? Ask the patient to breathe in this position. Okay, the repetitions will be 3 to 5 repetitions. As we have discussed in the lecture, it will be of 3 repetitions, 3 to 5 repetitions, not more than that. So this is unilateral. This side of the thorax will be having a good stimulation. After this unilateral, you can also perform bilateral. Bilateral with the help of towel will be crossing, giving a patient, ask the patient to put little pressure while we are inhaling. So keep that pressure during inhalation and exhalation. So this will, during inhalation it will give a stimulus, during exhalation it will assist. So by giving this type, bilateral lateral costal expansion can be done. If the patient is holding like this and asking a patient to just stretch it, you can see posterior side also, the posterior expansion exercises, the posterior segmental expansion exercises can be emphasized. So these are the self-treatment, self-taught treatments of the breathing exercises. These are the segmental expansion exercises.